What's going on, guys? It's David and
Karina?
we're actually down here in the basement doing some exercise. As you can see, Karina's working out her abs right there. And I wanted to give you guys an update on what's been happening in the group. In fact, just in the past little while, it's been absolutely insane. If I actually switch over the screen right now, I want to show you what members have been able to do literally just in the last 24 hours. So if you take a look here, this is the group where members come in. And by the way, you're going to get access to this group when you click the link that's just below this video. Right down here, you're going to basically get access to my system. Now in the system, again, I do the work while you keep all the commissions. And check this out. If I scroll down, you can see that just an hour ago, a member by the name of Miles posted, just literally 1 hour ago, that just in the last 3 days, he was able to do $11,575. And let's read together what he says. It says, "Look, David, thanks for creating this amazing, fully automated, newbie-friendly marketing system. It's so awesome to see that our community has banded together to make affiliate marketing great again." That's a spin-off on the Donald Trump campaign. But as you can see, I mean, if we take things, if we just look at this seriously for a second, look at the dates and look at the amount of commissions that Miles has been able to do just in the last 3 days. And by the way, if you're wondering, are you going to be able to get this access to the same exact system? Is it the same exact thing? Yes. You're going to basically get access to the same system that generated me $16,000 in 19 days, just with this one income stream and a whole bunch of other commissions with other income stream. But take a look at this. Commission, 2,000, 2,500. It's just all over the place, and we're all using the same system. Check out Beatree over here. It says, look, boom, another $2,000 just hit my email, and he so far made $6,000 in just 7 days. $6,000 in 7 days. Now, let me just preface this by saying, look, my results and the results of the members that you see here, Karina's there doing, we have a little machine where it basically takes the pressure off your back. It's kind of, how does it feel? Tell them.
Pretty good. It's like it's called an inversion table.
Oh yeah. It's called an inversion table.
Where you just go like. Oh.
Show them.
Well, this one it's not at the max one, but it can go like pretty far.
Yeah.
I think it's actually the max. I'm not sure.
It can actually go all the way down, but we put a little stopper on it. So anyway, what I wanted to say is, listen, my results and the results of the members that you see here, they're not typical because we don't do typical things. This is just to show you what is possible if you actually take the time and follow what I show you, get plugged into the system, click on the link that you see just below here, and what you're getting is essentially access to a marketing campaign that I have set up personally for myself, actually, and then other people approached me about it and said, hey, can I use this too? And I just, okay, you can use it too. And then as you can see, Miles started using it, Beatrice started using it, and a whole bunch of other members started using it, and it works. What you need to do, there's 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1 is you want to click the link below and basically get access to the system. And also go check out the webinar. That's the most important thing because that's where I explain everything. You get to see exactly how everything works. And that's the webinar that you're going to be using essentially to generate your $2,000 commissions. Step number 2 is to get set up because in the system, I need you to activate the different income streams and put your affiliate IDs inside the marketing campaign because guess what? I send over 140 emails on your behalf. And each and every one of these emails has your affiliate links in them. But I need to know what your affiliate links are, what your affiliate IDs are, and I need to know that your membership is active in these different programs. So this way, when I'm sending out the emails, if a commission comes in, that obviously goes to you. Whoops, let's open this again. Sometime it times out. So get set up. That's step number 2. Step number 3 in this system is to send traffic. And by the way, a lot of traffic is coming in from different social media like Facebook, like YouTube, like Instagram. And this is something that I show you how to do in 18 minutes a day. Step by step, click by click. I have a whole webinar that shows you exactly how to do this. How to get people to approach you. You don't even need to approach anyone. People come to you if you follow the steps that I will show you. Now, let's say you don't want to do it on social media. Maybe you're you just don't want to put stuff on your Facebook timeline, you don't necessarily feel comfortable connecting with people, is there another way to do this? The answer to that is yes, there is. And that's, you can outsource the entire traffic part and let someone else do it for you, essentially. But obviously, that's something that if you outsource it to someone else, you're going to need to pay for that, right? So that's a paid service that you use, paid service that you can use that leverages email ads that go out inside of emails. And then when people open them, they click them, they get to your affiliate link and to your campaign, essentially, which is my campaign, but I'm obviously letting you use it so you can start generating commissions for yourself. And again, I'm not guaranteeing any sales, of course, but you've seen the results. Like if you plug in and you send traffic, it is inevitable that if you send enough traffic, something is going to start happening in your business. So let's switch back to the Facebook group here. Take a look here. What Beatrice says. So he got these commissions, and he says, "Look, the best part is this sale came from free Facebook traffic, which I show you how to get. I show you how to do this. I show you exactly how to do this." And he says, "Look, the key is to build trust and provide value and give bonuses, which, by the way, I do for you as well." Says David Dekel, "Please tell me this is not a dream." I mean, this guy, look at this guy. He's like a kid, right? Like he's getting plugged into something that's already making him $6,000 in 7 days. When I was his age, I wasn't nowhere making anywhere near commissions like that. Let's keep going here. Alan posted this yesterday. Says, "Look, thank you, Lord. I did it again. Thank you, David, for this amazing system." Alan, by the way, he's an international member. He's from the Philippines. Posted this yesterday, like just before midnight, as you can see right there. And he says, "Look, I saw my name on the leaderboard again. My goal is to be number one on the leaderboard." And there you go. And he's been making $2,000 commissions, with this system. And in his currency, if you exchange it to the local currency where he's at, I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. Here's me. Actually, I did a live stream yesterday. Sometimes, I know that you guys get questions, so I go on live and, people submitted questions. And as you can see, there's comments, questions in the chat box. So if you're watching this right now, and you're wondering, okay, David, but is there support to this thing? Can I actually, whoops, sorry guys, I've been clicking stuff on the screen here. If you join this, are you going to be left all by yourself and, to figure things out? No, we have a community. The same community that you've just seen me post. Look at Karina over there doing her inversions. Same community where you've seen me post the live, and same community you've seen all the posts from the members. That's actually a community that you're going to get invited to as well. And I want you to actually come into the community. So first of all, you can meet all the other members, mingle with us, hang out. We're a community. We're all driving towards a shared goal, which is more time freedom, more financial freedom. And we all want to do it in a way where we build a lifestyle type of a business where you don't have to drive anywhere. You don't have to answer to a boss. You don't have to do any of those things. So we've all been there. I've worked a regular job too. It's not like I've been doing marketing my whole life. I started doing this because I was fired from my job several years ago. And now I'm on a mission to help people generate commissions online so you can start living the type of lifestyle you want to live and spend time with the people you want to spend time with, right? So here's what I want you to do right now. First of all, depending on when you're watching this video, I've prepared an insane bonus package for you that, first of all, if you click the link below, go watch the webinar. I show you literally how you can leverage my videos to generate traffic for yourself. How you can leverage free Facebook traffic to generate traffic for yourself. How you can generate not just traffic, but from the same traffic that I use to generate commissions. It's the same videos I'm giving you, so you can leverage them to start making commissions in your business. So now, depending on when you're watching this, the bonus package might still be available, might not be. You can know that for sure if you click the link below and go check out the webinar, and right next to it is going to show you how much time is left for you to claim the bonuses. This promotion is already over. I don't know, depending on when you're watching this. So also another thing is, I'm currently, if you're watching this on YouTube, I want you to click the link below and subscribe to the channel, because periodically I do live streams where you can hop on, ask me questions live, and I answer them for you live. You don't need to submit support tickets or anything like this. And right now I'm actually hosting a giveaway that ends, depending on again when you're watching this, it ends tonight at 8 p.m. And I'm going to be announcing the winners on a live stream on my YouTube channel tonight, approximately at 10 p.m. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and in the video, in the description of this video, you can enter the giveaway where you can actually win a 3-night luxurious hotel stay in Miami. There's going to be multiple winners to this, and I'm going to be announcing the winner tonight on the live stream. How do you get to the live stream? Well, that's why I want you to subscribe. I send out all the invitations to the live stream from the channel. And you want to make sure that you're on the live stream, because if I call your name and you're not there, guess what's going to happen? I'm going to pass it on to the next person.
And then
So-
you're not gonna get your 4-day stay in Miami, which
3
is
days
like
stay, 3 nights.
yeah, but 4-day you're gonna
Yeah,
be
4
there.
days.
And
So be
it's-
on the live stream.
And it's paradise there. Like
It's-
I haven't even been there, and I'm jealous already.
We
I
want.
wanna
We're
go.
actually going. We're planning on going there in December. So make sure to subscribe. Make sure to enter the giveaway if it hasn't ended already. Again, I don't know when you're watching this video, and attend the live stream. I wanna meet you. I wanna answer your questions. I wanna help you get started. And again, click the link below. First of all, get yourself over to the system, and make sure. Are you yawning in the background? She just woke up not too long ago. So get yourself over to the system, watch the webinar. Seriously, like, how serious are you about generating commissions online? If you are serious, go watch the webinar. It's the one thing you might ever need to start generating some serious commissions in your business. So go ahead, click the link below, watch it, get yourself activated in income stream 1 at least. There's multiple income streams, there's 4 of them. But as you've seen in this video, the commissions that Mile has made over $11,000 in the last 3 days. And again, results not typical. But all of that is just from income stream 1. So at least get yourself that. At least get yourself that to the highest level. And then once you start generating results with your online business, then you can potentially look at activating the other ones. All right? So I'll see you on the live stream tonight. I'll see you inside the system. I'm going to see you inside the members area soon. Take care. Bye for now.